Hey guys, today we're gonna solve the one coding problem in Java. So problem is calculate the distance between two coordinates using the coding with Java. Calculate coordinate distance using Java. So where input will be like in a string format. It's like the so for example a colon. Then here they will be giving the x1 y1 values. Suppose the x1 is a 3 and the y1 is a 5, and another coordinate is in a string to be semicolon. Then suppose x2 is a 5 and y2 is a 8. So we have to find the coordinate distance by using the formula, the in a square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So let's see how we can solve this problem in Java. So let's see. So, public class coordinate distance. So main method first. So we will take default string. The first input will be suppose a semicolon a colon in bracket 3 comma 5 and string s2. Suppose it will be 5 comma 8. So these are the two coordinates. We have to find the distance between these coordinates. So, but we know these are the strings, not an integer to calculate the directly by the formula or performing the any logic. So first we will have to separate these numbers and remove all the characters and remove all the alphabetical characters and the symbols. So this is a main and important complicated task that first we have to do it. Let's see how we can do it. And we will make the one function, the name as public static. Suppose public static string the name we try int. Okay, we will give the parameter string value. Okay, for okay. So our first important work is to remove all the alphabetical characters and the special symbols, and only we want the numbers. So first we'll take the temporary string here, perform the logic, then we will apply the loop int I is equal to 0. So I is instead of value we should take the small s. It will be good. S is less than s dot length I plus plus. So first we will traverse the whole the string here and check if there is a the number and the comma. Then we will append the temp here. I will tell you later. So why we need this comma. So if s dot char at is equal is if char at greater than equal to 0 and s dot char at less than equal to 9, and we also want to append the comma. Okay, is dot caret. We should take a or. It will be in or. Is equal to comma. Yeah, and we will append this temp plus this dot caret I. So let's see, is it working fine or not? We'll print here. So, temp caret I. It will be given. So, okay, okay then let's try int this one. So let's see, is it working fine? Not. So we can say, yeah, it's working fine. It's removing all the special characters, a semicolon and the brackets, but we want the this comma. I will tell you later. Okay, it's working fine. So okay, we will receive this also for string 2 retrieve age. Okay, it's 2. Okay, so our first and most important work is done, retrieving the string, sorry, retrieving the numbers and the comma from the entire string. Now we will make the function for to calculate the distance between the two coordinates. Public static uh, void, suppose int, so take double, get distance, it will be get distance, and we will be giving the two strings here, string 1 and string 2. Okay, 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 okay. So for a while we should take white. Okay, and second work is, okay, we want the two values, the first 3 as a x1 and 5 as a y1, and this 5 x2 and y2, like this. So first, the performing the any different operation, first we should split these strings into the string array uh, on the base on the comma. So let's see, you'll get the logic. 1 second. So string, suppose str1 s1 dot split by comma for str2 2 s2 dot s2 dot split by comma. So it will return the string, array of the string, and it will be like comma separated, means uh, there will only in the string we will able to see only the numbers instead of comma, because we have split on the basis on this comma special character. So let's see how it will look like for int is equal to 0, then str dot length print system dot println. One I okay, yeah. So we will call the get distance. So n is 2. Let's see the output. So yeah, we can see the output. No, yeah. One second. So time get distance should be you are splitting from the comma string. It's an array should be print. Okay. Yeah, sorry guys, sorry. Yeah, we we have forgotten to replace this empty string as a temp. That that's why it was a giving that issue. Let's see, it's working fine. Okay, it's working fine. Now we will print string array. It's splitting from the this comma or not. Let's see. So it is array. That's why we should remove these brackets. Print here str one. So for string 2. So let's see. We don't want the every element on next line. That's why I'm removing I am removing this ln. Okay, see. Hey guys, you can see 3 and 5 and 5 and 5 and 8. We got this, and we can't see the comma here because it returns the array of string on the basis of the given parameter. So it gets split from these commas, and only we get in array is nothing but numbers only. So now the we will parse now we will parse these the strings into the numbers to calculate the total distance from the two coordinates. Suppose int x1 coordinate will pass as integer. As you know, it is a wrapper class. So there is a function in an integer class is a parse int. So it converts the string into the integer. So we want str10 is nothing but the value of x1, because here we can see we are considering the 3 as x1 and 5 is y1, and this in next in the 5 is x2 and it is a y2. That's why We are considering this string one. The zeroth index is nothing but x1. Also similar for x2 also. Integer dot parse int str1. We are considering it as so y1. So what happened? Okay. So we got x1 x sorry, so y1 similar for x2 y2 dot parse int str2 0. We know this is x2. So we are apply the zeroth index here for the getting the x2 value, and also for y2 we will insert integer dot parse int str2 so 1. Okay, so finally we got all the needed values. So why it's not working? Okay, sorry. It is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So we got all the values. Now we will perform the distance of the finding the distance of coordinates operation here. So so uh, so 1 second. So I will tell you the formula to calculate. 1 second. Yeah. If you want to calculate the distance from the two given from the two coordinates, then the formula is in root x2 x2 minus x1 square. Sorry for bad handwriting. And y2 minus y1 square. So this is our formula. So let's perform this operation. So because we got all these values, now only is remaining the performing the operation on this formula. So let's see. So int result. So, okay. So first we will minus this coordinated one. We will minus x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 from for coordinate 2. So y2 minus y1. Okay. Now we will perform operation. Okay. So there is a math function in Java. Sorry, math is a class and square root is a function. The short name is sqrt. So it returns the double data type. So we will take double result variable here, and math is a class and is square root is a variable, and we will give here. So as you can see the formula, there is a x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So then we will have to take here the square of we have already subtracted the coordinates x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So to we will insert c1 into c1 again because we want square, then plus y2, sorry, yeah, c2 into c2. I guess now we got the result and we will return it. 1 second. So I will return it. So return result. Okay, and here we will receive the result. Okay, it's done. Now we will print the result here. So distance between two, distance of coordinates. Okay, we change of the result. Okay, now it should work properly. Hey guys, so now we can see the result. 1 second. We should remove where we have printed. Okay, we have also we don't need this now. Okay, now we can see. Is a main. Okay. Now we can see the total distance between the two coordinates is a 3.6055. It's a double value. So this is how we have done this program. So it actually it is a good question, and there is a possibility to ask in many competitive coding and interview. So okay, thank you for watching this video. See you next time.